I'm Pali. We are talking English and Malay together. Alright. When the first journey started, masa tu, I was 19 to 20 years when I had the passion to be a model. So when the time that I wanted, when I was studying that time, I got a few opportunities to get a side income, to just be in modeling, in a bridal studios kind of thing. So that is where I started up. Saya punya journey masa tu. And because I came from a very, very poor background, saya kena state this sebab my father, bapa saya meninggal masa saya 9 months baby, and my mother was just 29 years old, and my sister was 3 years plus. So masa tu memang after father passed away, father under TDM, dia kerja under Tentera Udara di Raja Malaysia, and father met in an accident. So this was like the impact for my mother, my woman, who I really since small say memang nak buat something. I and my sister went through so much of difficulties in our life. Actually, it was not easy at all. We started to work very hard, study very hard. So sister also went to university. Saya pun pergi kat university, but we were still working outside. We was sebab masa tu mak memang she had another accident when she was working. She had a fall. Dia punya spinal cord injury, so she couldn't walk. She was in the hospital for 1 month plus alone. Tak ada orang nak tolong. So all that things was like, there's a big scar for us. Untuk tengok benda tu yang dia lalui tu memang couldn't take it at all. Itu siapa?
Gentleman must start first, ma.
Sebab dia saya punya senior masa tu. So he teach me a lot of things. So masa first time we saw itself, we was a very, very good friend actually. So the first met was like a very understanding. That means because dia elder daripada saya 9 tahun, but I felt like he really understands me. The first thing saya cakap dengan dia, I have to take care of my mother. I have no one, so your responsibility is big. So he accepted. He told me, your family is my family. So tu yang saya rasa macam wow, a man who could really understand about a woman macam tu. After I got married, please do for me a small shoot. Because he likes the way I look like, maybe in the Instagram. Baru masa tu saya kenal Ruben juga. And then that is the part saya dapat satu offer daripada Hormone Mrs. India worldwide. It was 48 countries. So masa tu husband cakap, okay, why not you give a try in pageantry? You're doing so many things, so go ahead in pageantry. So that is why the moment husband apply kan, tiba-tiba tengok approve. Dalam masa 2 hari dia orang panggil untuk interview. They said you are nominated. So the first time saya rasa macam, okay, I need to learn a lot of things. Tapi memang it was born on me. Maybe I was like, selalunya when I'm walking and everything, I always like to carry up myself. Saya suka berpakaian professional. Sebab saya suka perempuan yang gagah macam tu. She called me up. That means dalam 1 tahun sebelum ni, she called me up. She said, can you please represent UMB for us? Then saya cakap dengan dia, actually there is someone representing Malaysia. So how can I go in? And then she was like, no, I want you to represent Asia. Masa dia cakap represent Asia, saya rasa macam
it's a Asia.
It's a continent, it's like, it's not easy. Sebab kalau pergi ke Asia, dia kena compete dengan Hong Kong, Japan, semua dia kena compete, baru dia boleh kepalakan kat sana. So masa dia bagi saya task yang besar sangat, I told my husband, can I do it or not?
Of course! Datuk Uzi, of course you can.
So then he told me that, okay, it's okay, we can give a try. So masa tu saya macam kelang kabut, saya tak tahu apa saya buat. Sebab masa tu it was like 120 countries, it's all over the world, it's not a joke. Because when you see, in the photo diorang memang nampak different. Tapi masa kita pergi kat real life, I tell you, they're super gorgeous, not only pretty, and they're very, very good in everything. I seen seorang yang kerja dengan Presiden, US President pun ada, lawyers, surgeons. There's almost 18 surgeons who came there. And then they also have police officers. maybe everyone who are like very, very high standard. Meaning that high standard, they are very strong. My husband was crying and Shana was crying. I was like, okay, I did something. And from the top 25, when they called like third runner-up dipanggil Asia, saya macam, Asia, betul ke? Sebab kaki saya pergi depan, lepas tu pergi belakang.
Yeah, we got a video of that. Yeah. I was like, what?
Saya macam tu. And then the moment you said Asia, come on, then only I was like, oh my god, I did it.
Yay! Go champ!
I was like so happy. Saya bawa saya punya bendera Johor dengan bendera Malaysia sekali. Of course, as a bangsa Johor, saya memang so happy. I'm so proud.
Emma, Johor, Emma.
They saw the flag. They asked, "What flag is this?" And I said, "This is Johor."
Bangsa Johor.
Yeah, bangsa Johor. So I was like, the moment the CEO came in, dia cakap dengan saya, I want you to be with us. I was like, okay. Sebab biasanya kalau macam tu dia akan ambil yang main queen saja. The winner was in India. But suddenly he came, he told me that you are going to follow us wherever we go. Then I was like, okay, I'm doing something spark to them like that. Until today, dia akan message, will ask like, are you all okay? I want you all to come because next year maybe we might go into China and then India and then we're going to go US.
This is a summary. Yeah. Of course, after a short while of being together, and then we decided to get married. Our journey started off just like what she said. She has always been something about her always makes me smile, laugh. She talks very well. She's very supportive, and she likes to encourage people. There's something big and positive about her always. Even if you're down, girl, atau you rasa pasrah or give up, dia selalu akan naikkan kita punya mood, kita punya mental state, emosi dan segala. So then we got married, and then waktu tu dia percaya dengan saya untuk keluar dari kerajaan. And then we started off our journey dengan membuka klinik. Klinik memang banyak cabaran. Kalau start daripada kosong, in fact, bukan senang. But she was my backbone dalam perjalanan ini. Banyak up and down, financial dan segala. But now I'm so successful in everything I do. That's because of my wife. Not only the clinic, the expansion, the assets, and everything I do is because of her. This kelaku and all these things. So I gave her the motivation and allowed her to go for the pageantry. And during the pageantry, saya tahu walaupun dia rasa cemas, takut, and then sometimes dia rasa alamak boleh menang ke. Saya beritahu dia, you can win. Because dia memang natural di depan skrin. And then pada waktu dia pergi dan menang, dalam hati saya pun macam, yalah, tears lah, tears of joy lah kan. So very happy to see her achievement. So I encourage her to achieve more great things, to inspire and to help many more others out there. So thank you. Thank you.